first time we heard about it, said we got to be there, and have never regretted certainly that first decision. And of course, we've come back every year and been a sponsor every year since, because it's always been something that's been very much worthwhile for us. The schedule of events, actually, it works really well as an exhibitor. You know, having just kind of, it's a one evening and then all day the next day. And really that's just about the perfect amount of time, given the size of the conference and so forth, really to meet everyone we want to, talk to everyone that we want to talk to or wants to talk to us, while not overstaying the effort. The actual program schedule, coming at it from the perspective of an exhibitor, is really ideal in terms of, you know, the value we get out of it compared to the amount of time that's asked of us. I really like